Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to send a message to many of your friends like group message without creating a group in WhatsApp. For this you have to click on three dots. After that you have to click on new broadcast. After that you have to select contacts whom you want to send that message. Like you can select maximum of 256 contacts to send group message. Like I am selecting some specific contacts to send specific message. As you can see in the video, you can select up to maximum 256 contacts. Here I am selecting some contacts whom I want to send a group message, like you see in the video. After you have selected your specific contacts, you have to click on done. After clicking on done, a new window will be opened, and here you send a message will be received by all the contacts you have selected in this broadcast. For example, if I send hi in this recipients or broadcast, it will send to all of the contacts you have selected. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of latest videos.